and we grow.
Miss Ugma 2023 is candidate number 14, Iris Oresca of Naga City. Congratulations!
Once again, your 𝗟𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗃 2024 candidate number 18, Iris Oresca.
Rain on the summertime.
I am Iris Ignacio Oresca, your Binibining Camarines Norte and Miss 𝗟𝗏𝗏𝗃 2023 and 𝗟𝗏𝗴𝗰𝗃 2024. And I am a Tiger champion. Welcome to the home of the champions.
Welcome to the V Gallery and Museum, NCF's very own cultural hub that houses the humble beginnings of the Naga College Foundation and its founder, Dr. Melchor T. Villanueva. Gallery and Museum is also a platform for promoting and preserving the Bicolano art and empowering Oragon artists. Now, let's leap into the future. This is the NCF CHS Skills Laboratory, the home of Alex, a state-of-the-art AI-powered patient model simulator which revolutionizes practical learning for medical and health services to